If you're seeing the CapCut couldn't load error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including corrupted cache files, hardware acceleration conflicts, firewall restrictions, or even network outages. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes without losing your projects. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common fix, and that is clearing the app cache. Over time, CapCut can store temporary files that become corrupted and cause the loading process to freeze. To do this on CapCut desktop, open the app and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then go into settings and look for the project or cache tab. Inside that section, click Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your timeline projects, so it's a safe first step. Once the cache is cleared, fully restart your PC as well. A complete restart helps clear system memory and gives CapCut a fresh start when you open it again. If CapCut still refuses to load, the next thing you should try is turning off hardware acceleration. In some cases, the newest version of CapCut can conflict with your graphics card driver when it tries to load media. To fix that, open CapCut's menu, go to Settings, and then open Performance. Here, you should see options like Speed up hardware encoding and Speed up hardware decoding. Uncheck both of those options. After that, click Save and then restart CapCut. This simple change can solve loading issues caused by GPU or driver conflicts, especially on older systems or after recent updates. Now, if the app is still stuck, you should check your firewall or router security settings. In some cases, CapCut's media servers get blocked by Windows Defender Firewall, antivirus software, or even built-in router security tools like Eero Secure, Comcast XFi, or Asus Home Shield. Open your Windows Defender Firewall or your third-party antivirus app and make sure CapCut.exe is explicitly allowed through both private and public networks. If your router has a security dashboard, check there too, because network-level blocking can stop CapCut from reaching the servers it needs to load your content properly. Another fix that can help, especially if you see messages like no network available or the loading screen hangs forever, is using a VPN. Sometimes the issue is not your computer at all, but a regional outage or a problem with your local internet provider's route to CapCut's servers. First, close CapCut completely, then open a trusted VPN application or use a VPN gate tutorial if that's the method you prefer, and connect to a different server location. Once the VPN is active, relaunch CapCut and try loading your project or cloud assets again. In many cases, switching your network route is enough to bypass the outage and get everything working normally. So to quickly recap, if CapCut couldn't load, start by clearing the cache and restarting your PC. Then turn off hardware acceleration, whitelist CapCut in your firewall or antivirus, and if needed, use a VPN to bypass regional network issues. One of these fixes usually gets the app loading again without much trouble. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.